Hello, Peter here. Today with the unboxing of the Samsung A20e. So this is a mid-range smartphone with about 150 or 200 euros. That's the price that it sells for. It has infinity display, a dual camera and fast charging. You can see here the specs. It's the version with 32 gigabytes of memory. And the cool thing about it, for a mid-range smartphone, it has 2 powerful cores and 6 smaller cores, so it's quite powerful for this price. Let's open it. I already broken the seals. Okay, so inside we have some, I think this is the paperwork. Yeah, basically here is the paperwork for this phone. Yeah, guide and a Romanian quick opening any card, warranty card. Yeah, it doesn't matter this. Here is the phone. I'm going to put it aside. And here are 2 cables. This is a Type-C cable, I think. Yep, it's a USB to Type-C cable. For this price, it's cool that it has a Type-C cable. Also some headphones. I'm not going to get them out. There are some basic headphones. Here is the pin to open the SIM tray. And here is the brick, the fast charging brick. Yes, so this is everything that comes in the package. Right now let's open the phone. So hold the power button. It takes a while. So on the back it has a fingerprint, the dual cameras, a flashlight. It's plastic. And in the front it has the main camera. See, it has this Huawei style screen. You're going to see it better when it's open. Here is the speaker, the USB Type-C port and the headphone jack. And let's get the pin, sorry. And this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful phone. It has a near bezel-less display, and it moves pretty fast. Like, look at this speed. I don't know, it has no apps now on it, so I cannot test this, but you should wait to the review of this phone. Thank you and goodbye.